Okay, I am here to show you how to get to assignments and how to post assignments. So I have set up my son as a student. And if you are in third grade, this is what your art icon looks like in your teams. If you're in kindergarten, you're going to have a K, first grade a purple 1, second grade a 2, third grade a 3, fourth grade a 4, fifth grade a 5. Click on it. And this is going to take you to this screen where you've got post, files, class notebook, assignments, grades. To view assignments, click on assignments. He has one assignment, the day you begin self-portraits. So he is going to click on here, and these are the directions. Instructions, week 1, we'll read the book. Together we will draw the face. On week 2, we will add curvy lines and words, and now we're going to color. Okay? And then all of these attachments, the kids have been shown these things. My artists, you have been shown these things. This is the how to draw the self-portrait. Here's another guide to drawing. Here's an example, and here is a book that we read about it. So see, you just click on it, and it takes you to all these different links. Okay? So that's what these are. These is to help you in this project. And then once the project is completely finished, right down here, it says My Work, Add Work. And you're going to click on Add Work. Okay? So you are going to upload from this device. How do you upload from this device? Well, all I did was I went down into Camera. See, I clicked down here and went to Camera. And if you're on an iPad, you should know where your camera is. There's a camera on your iPad. There's a camera on your phone. There's a camera on your computer. I had no idea. This was my very first time using the camera on my computer. And it pulls up. Oh, it says I got to close the other apps. Anyway, I took a picture with the camera app, and then it saved it to the pictures on the computer. So now when I come in here to want to attach something, I'm going to upload from this device, and under pictures, there's the picture that I took. So I'm going to click on it, open. Once it's all blue, done. And look, it attaches it down here. Once I have attached my finished artwork down here where it said add work, look, this says turn in. So I'm going to click turn in. Watch what happens. I just learned this today too. Watch what happens. The first time I got a dancing unicorn. That time I got a target. And that's it. So you're going to take a photo. You're going to add it to My Work, and then click turn in. Okay? Assignments. Look, he doesn't have nothing left to turn in. Completed. He's winning. He turned his assignments in. I don't want anyone to stress about turning in art assignments, but I do need you to turn stuff in so that I know that you're doing your work. I know we're like, why do I have to turn in my artwork? Because I want to see that you're doing your work. I want to see that you're artist. Art is a required class, and so I want to see that you're doing your work. So that is it. If you have any questions, email me or get your mom or dad or grandma to email me, and we'll get it figured out together.